Okay, let's see, Canta. And then up into a nice trot. Okay, then do a nice pretty sitting trot and change directions.
Sitting trot and this thing don't match.
His big boy, isn't he? There you go. Nice, nice. And then change directions, please. Oh, there went our son. Okay, and canter one time this way and then trot and you're good. Good, all the way around, full circle. And let's see a nice stop. Push your heels down. Push your heels down. What a good boy. Okay, now walk on a big loose rein, please. He's very quiet, isn't he? Okay, now can you do a little jog, like a sitting trot? Let's see what you got. Push your heels down. Sit up. Nice. Nice. Okay, now posting trot. Sweet, and then change directions and circle the other way. Nice. And then just walk, please. What's that? I don't think there is.